Let's learn Igbo in a fun way.
And the phrase is Egbula oge. Egbula oge. Don't waste time. Egbula alone translates to don't kill. Egbula, don't kill. And the word oge translates to time. So putting the two together, we have Egbula oge, don't kill time. Okay, but we use it to mean don't waste time. Okay, I mean, when you're wasting time, you're killing it, right? Yes, that's so. Okay, so egbula oge, don't waste time. Egbula oge, egbula oge. Or you can say wo oge, that's positive. You know, egbula is in the negative form, that's don't kill. Okay, then you can say wo oge. Wo oge, that's kill time. Example sentences. Gịnị ka ị na-egburu oge? Gịnị ka ị na-egburu oge? Gịnị ka ị na-egburu oge? Why are you wasting time? Gịnị ka ị na-egburu oge? Egbula m oge. I just added a pronoun after the egbula to personalize it. Don't waste my time. Egbula m oge. Egbula m oge. Don't waste my time. Egbula oge ịga n'ihu. Egbula oge ịga n'ihu. Don't waste time to move forward or move on. Egbula oge ịga n'ihu. Now, how would you say you are wasting my time? Leave it in the comments. Thank you for joining this lesson today. Stay tuned for more fun and rare Igbo phrases.